We're going to show you some amazing fabrics this morning, and what makes them super amazing is not just the fabrics but the price. The price is just incredible. So they're all $12.99 today and tomorrow. So you can see this beautiful, this is 100% wool. It's an olive green, got a little bit of cream in there, just a touch of orange, but it's just really pretty. If you're afraid of plaids, put them on the bias. It's got great drape, 100% wool, beautiful. You could just put them on the bias in the back, or use a combination of fabrics, and it's just very, very pretty, beautiful fabric. This is a 100% viscose, great fabric, olive, a little bit of yellow. Yellow is still really strong for spring, so I think this is a great transition fabric. The best thing about this fabric, I think, 100% viscose, is the drape. It has stretch in both directions. It's just really, really beautiful. Lovely, lovely fabric. I paired it with a black because I just think, you know, a pair of black slacks would be beautiful. This has great drape. It's light, so it would transition really well. It is cotton poly, but again, the drape on this is just incredible. It is a stretch woven, stretch in one direction. This is a cotton poly. Love this fabric. I just think it's so pretty. It'd be great in 920. A trench coat, a mini trench coat. It's just a beautiful fabric. Very contemporary. It's got olive green, and then with the black inner, you know, black kind of deep inside the plaids. Kind of got a black tonal background, a cross thread, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It is woven, it is not printed. So beautiful fabric, beautiful quality. I mean, $12.99 is ridiculous for this fabric, but anyway, it is what it is, cotton poly. It is a woven, very pretty fabric. $9.20, $7.24. Lots of good ideas with this. This is 100% cotton. I have this. I've made this up in pants, and Hugo's cardigan is what I paired to go with it. They're opposites one another. They're velvet. I mean, they're just beautiful. They're woven. I love these. They're both 100% cotton. They're both woven, and they're opposites of one another. And again, at $12.99, just a complete giveaway. And the goal, of course, you know, is to have happy sewing. Thanks. From Silhouette Patterns.